Hey guys, welcome back to the First Goal channel. Today we're talking Opal. We love Opal around here. That Nugget Ice is fantastic, and people love it too. But we also know a couple of our customers have a hard time with hard water. And hard water is tough on any ice maker. It's gonna be tough on pretty much any machine that uses water. So what we wanted to do is create some solutions to basically soften their hard water, if you will. We've been running a test where we've actually been creating a insert for Opal that will essentially soften the water that is going through the system. And what it does is it ionically attracts calcium and other TDS inside of the water, pulls it out of the solution, and basically allows Opal to run with softer water. What that's gonna do is reduce the amount of scale and buildup that happens in your Opal, reduce the amount of scale that builds up in the tubes, in the upper and lower reservoirs. So what we're doing right now is just figuring out, does the technology work, and is it something interesting to you guys? And our next prototype is basically gonna be something like this. It's a little filter cartridge. You'll basically pop it out, and if you come in here, you just chuck it right in, pops right in, and there you go. You've got yourself a system that's gonna slowly start to soften the water and make things easier on your Opal. So give us your thoughts. Let us know what you guys think about this project, and if you're interested in it, obviously your feedback is what's going to determine whether or not this project moves forward. We would love to understand how much you want this thing to do, right? Do you want it to last 2 to 3 months? Do you want it to last 6 months? Obviously that's going to make it big. It's going to make it more expensive. Do you want to be able to recharge it yourself? Or would you like it to be disposable? And finally, what is your experience cleaning Opal right now? Where are you guys from? Let us know in the comments so that way we can make the product that's right for you guys.